The diagnosis of cancer can be very overwhelming, and you should have all the information you need to help you make decisions about your treatment. Here at Mount Sinai, we provide the highest quality of cancer care, and we also provide access to clinical trials. Clinical trials have really been responsible for improving outcomes for our patients with cancer. Today, we will learn from our cancer experts about what a clinical trial is, how to participate, and what the benefits are for current and future patients.
The Tisch Cancer Institute at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai is an NCI-designated cancer center, and our core mission is threefold: to provide outstanding patient care, to train and educate the next generation of healthcare professionals, and to offer our patients the most advanced and cutting-edge cancer care, including access to cancer clinical trials.
Mount Sinai has a really strong cancer research enterprise here. We really pride ourselves on having a comprehensive group of scientists that cover all the different specialties that take care of cancer patients and do this from an innovative and, I would say, cutting-edge perspective. One of the things we're most proud of is the research that we're doing here at Mount Sinai is leading to new trials that are unique and first of their kind in the country. And these trials are offering us not only hope and testing out new ideas in our patients, but also in some cases actually change care.
Equity in care is actually a critical value at Mount Sinai, and it has been for since the actual creation of this hospital. We serve a tremendously diverse patient population. So we serve individuals who come from impoverished areas. We serve individuals who come from incredibly wealthy areas. So all across the metropolitan New York area, people come to this hospital for the care that we provide.
One of the things that's super exciting about working here at Mount Sinai is seeing these brilliant scientists come up with new treatment ideas. And you're seeing these remarkable long-term remissions as a result of that treatment. And we have a lot of talented physician scientists that both see patients and also study the disease in the laboratory.
So patients may be eligible for a clinical trial at almost any time during their cancer journey. One of the important aspects about enrolling on a clinical trial is that it allows a patient to be first in line for potentially the next best treatment for their cancer. By enrolling on a clinical trial, you're not only potentially improving your outcome, but you could potentially be impacting on all patients who have your type of cancer in the future. Patients today are receiving treatments that were based on what patients in the past have done in terms of participating in clinical trials. And even if someone is not eligible for a clinical trial, they're still getting the highest quality of care here. We're able to provide all of the newest therapies. Many of these therapies have been established based on prior clinical trials. So we have all of the latest and greatest treatments that are available for our patients. We hope that this information has been helpful for you. And know that here at Mount Sinai, we will be with you every step of the way during your cancer journey. Here at Mount Sinai, we find a way.
At Mount Sinai, we find a way.